Curses! Curses. It's a Pagani. Corvette. Old guy. Told you, old people. Come on. GT. Nope. Let's go popper. You don't do that on my streets, man. Nothing? Come on, nothing? Huh? Nothing? Close on me. Let me whoop this little mud. I met some amazing Mustang dudes. They have some fun. They do some pulls. This guy got scared and he tried to brake on me, man. That's that. Cop? Haha. Yeah, sure. Mustang's back. Come back! Mustang, come back! Huh? Come back! Trying to overtake me? Come back! So I thought about it. I think I'm gonna start practicing wheel. Oh yeah! Haters! And only this Forest Rider did it. Oh, that is. No one likes that, Harley! Come on, why would anybody like a muffler like that or exhaust? Who would like that? Seriously. I know girls have fetishes for like crazy things, but come on. Seriously? That was a hard bump. Oh, my manly area. Alright then, Alexis, you're up. I've never seen Alexis like that. Maybe it's fast. LC 500, something like that, I don't know. Old man driving it. He ain't gonna do anything. Look at all these people get to look at this. Let's go smoke those boys. I wanna smoke them all. Nimbus is too fast. I'm gonna smoke all you boys. I see you, homie. Oh, that is nasty loud. I'm part of a riding crew. Pagani's having a little thingy. Ducati 848. It's pretty cool. Another McLaren. Must we chase it? As soon as I put this glove on, I'll chase it. For you guys, I'll chase it. It's still in race mode. Let's find that McLaren and punish it for being on my streets. Punish it for being on my streets. Alright, just past this light. We'll catch up. Like a mug. Run, McLaren, run. I'm only gonna catch it if it turns on a certain street. If it's gonna Corona Del Mar, I'm not catching it. Oh, I thought he was holding a puppy. He was petting his girl. My bad. I seriously thought he was petting a puppy. I really think he's going to Corona Del Mar. I don't want to go to Corona Del Mar. So yeah, I'm canceling this thingy. We don't want to chase it. It's going straight. I'm turning. I don't want to go straight. And we need gas. Me going home. Me don't care about some McLaren anymore. To the limit. Pagani. First time I've ever seen a Pagani on the roads. Should we? Grrr. What do I do? Curses! It's a Pagani. I have to, it's a Pagani. Dude, go, you have your own lane. Go, homie. Yeah, you have your own lane, you dumb beep. Where'd it go? Pagani, here boy. Yeah, you stay home. Alright, you stay home. Why did you even come out? Maybe it's going back to the Pagani dealership. I've never seen one on the roads. That's why I just want to see it. I don't want to race it or anything. Unless it wants to, which I kind of don't want to because I'm tired. So yeah, well, now we're not going to do anything. I just want to see it out on the road. Kind of nice. For which I'm guessing is going to be on the right 2 lanes. It's where it'll be at. Now it should be somewhere here. It was brown. So if we'll pass the Pagani place, and if it's, if I see a brown one there, that means that's the one, and it's just test drive kind of thing. Yeah, there it is. There it is right there. Yeah, and it's gone because everybody's so effing slow. Look at all these photographers. That was cool. We kind of caught up to it a little bit, but yeah. Alright, yeah, so we kind of caught up to the Pagani. Not really. Now we head on home because me tired. Me want to take a nap. You gotta edit footage. You gotta do all sorts of stuff. We almost caught up to a Pagani. If Saturday there was more of a distance, I wanted to see it on the road, not turning inside to its place or anything like that. I want to see on the road. That'd be kind of awesome. And we got a Lambo. I got rewarded. Change modes, and let's do this. Pull. Kinda thought he would. It is beautiful though, but it's brand new though. So I guess that's why. He did give me the BJJ or swim. I think of it as this is BJJ. I can't do it because my fingers are fat. We kinda got rewarded, not really. I wanna say a little bit. I put it in race mode. I thought something would happen. A little pull. Mini, itsy bitsy pull. I think it's gone. Still a cool looking Lambo. It was a little bit of fun, I guess. Just seeing it was fun. That was for you, Corvette. Choke on it. Is it big enough? I forgot to take out a race mode. Not a good thing. God, that is loud. Oh, mother. That one. That was a nasty nut check. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not having kids, man. Oh my god. I want to cry. I missed an Audi R8. There you go. It was an Audi R8 right there. Saw that? I missed it. But that place is filled with traffic.